This cat is built differently.
It's just my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
I've been feeling quite sick. Yeah. I've been feeling quite sick. I be in my bed sick. I've been feeling quite sick.
Looks like you're mine now, Adora. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to.
Her arms were cut off. Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her tongue was cut off. Her nose was cut off. Her eyeballs